The next job for the spa is to have the actual jets installed through those holes in the shell. If you take a look over here, you see what they're doing is they're actually taking all the different jet fittings and they're screwing them into the holes in the acrylic shell. As you see, the gentleman is using a blue primer glue right there to put the hoses in, and all of these things have to be actually hand glued. Once again, all of these jets have to be hand installed into the shell. You can see how they're all screwed in, and all of the different piping here is glued so you make sure that you don't have any leaks. This is a very involved process. As you can see, there's all of these different kind of fittings that are used. And basically, the more elaborate spa that you buy, the more elaborate the plumbing is going to be on the other side. Years ago, when they first started to make hot tubs, all the plumbing in hot tubs were done with PVC pipe. They either used a ½ or1.5 PVC pipe, and every single corner and bend had to be glued. Nowadays, they use this flexible pipe. This flexible pipe is pretty firm, but you can make angles like this with the pipe so that you can have a lot going on where these jets are, and every single area where it curves, you don't need another glued fitting. So with this, you can be a lot more elaborate, and the fact that these are glued and clamped, you're never going to have a leak with a spa like this. The other benefit is that this stuff will expand to a certain extent. So if by some chance you ever have water in here over the winter and it freezes, this is not going to split apart just like a piece of PVC would. After the spa is all plumbed up, the next thing that has to be done is the frame for the cabinet has to be installed. Over here, you'll see these guys, they have the spa flipped upside down, and this is the actual framework that the cabinetry is going to be installed on. Once again, in here, you can see how elaborate the plumbing is for a system like this, and all of the different tubes that are both glued and clamped to make sure there are no leaks. After the wood frame is installed around the spa, the next step is to put the equipment in. The equipment would be the heater, the pump, the filter, and any other accessories that actually have to get screwed to this frame. Then we're ready for water testing. The next thing that they're going to do is actually water test the spa. Water testing involves filling the spa with water and putting it through its paces. They turn on all the jets, all the pumps, they make sure the lights work, the heater, the electronics, and actually check every single fitting in the spa to make sure that it doesn't leak. What we're seeing now is them actually installing the foam insulation into the spa cabinet. This really keeps all of your heat inside your spa. Some of the companies put full foam insulation like you see him doing right here, and some of the companies just put insulation on the shell. The plant that we're at today, the Artesian Spas plant, you could order it either way. You could have it with just the insulation on the shell, or you could have it full foam like what he's doing right here. This is a piece of synthetic wood. This is what they use to make the spa cabinets out of here at Artesian Spas. These come in a variety of different colors and different grain textures. And what these guys are doing here right now is they're putting together the side panels, which are going to go onto the spa. Once all of the panels are assembled into the proper sizes, what the guys have to do is they actually have to affix them to that wood frame. This, for example, is one of the pieces for the corner, and this is going to get attached right to here. Well, this is almost the end of the line for the hot tub. This is where they take the spa, do all the final inspections, actually clean it, check all the cabinetry, and make sure everything is perfect in the spa before they wrap it. And now all that's left is the last step, which is to wrap the spa up so it can be put on a truck and shipped right out to you. Well, here you have it. This is a completed Artesian Platinum Series hot tub. This is a fairly deluxe model here, and it's equipped with both a stereo system and a flat screen TV. It has some fountains, and it even has lights in the pillows. So I hope this video went a long way to showing you how they build a spa. My name's Dan Harrison from Pool & Spa TV, and happy tubbing!